Hi guys, and welcome to my new makeup challenge. On today's video we are going to play with a eyeshadow palette that I never talked about on my channel. Do you remember about Kat Von D Chrysalis eyeshadow palette? And I was even thinking at some point to sell it on eBay, so that's why I'm giving it on the box. I was all the time feeling that I can do only very bold looks, which I was not so into, but I think now it's too late to sell it, so let's go ahead and do some makeup with it. So the colors that we are going to play today are around this corner, so we are going to use those bluish tones and this transition shade, which is the only warm type of shade from this palette. Now guys, I thought I could apply some false lashes, and those lashes I have them from AliExpress. They don't have either a name or a style, so I will try to find them for you and link them down below. But oh my god, do you see how fluffy they are? you enjoyed today's makeup challenge, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next one. Stay safe, stay beautiful. Bye you guys!